are here to do a group discussion on topic climate change, in which we will be talking about what are the causes, effects and solution for a sustainable future. Why need to do this topic? Because as we know, climate change is a pressing issue these days. So we have to talk about this. Let's dive right into this topic and talk about the causes of this. So Rohit, can you present us some of the causes of this?
First of all, thanks for raising this global issue in this video. I would say that the biggest cause of global warming is definitely the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas. In village areas, people mainly prefer wood in order to prepare their meals. So burning wood results into the production of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases, and these are mainly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer, and ozone layer protects us from the harmful radiations which are being emitted from the sun. So I think that we and our environment both are at high risk.
Yes, you have mentioned it correctly. I have also observed that we are using fossil fuels a lot these days. And these fossil fuel burning are causing gases that like methane and carbon dioxide, which are the major root cause for ozone layer depletion. So it is getting harmful ultraviolet rays affecting our skin, and many other problems are creating because of this. So we have to look into this. And Gaurav, would you like to tell us more cause of?
Deforestation is a major factor for climate change. Basically, deforestation means cutting down of a tree on a large scale. Trees play a major role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the environment. Carbon dioxide is a major gas for causing global warming. When we cut them down for agriculture or urbanization, we are doing a natural defense against climate change. What are your points, Yusuf?
Yes, Gaurav. I think nowadays that agriculture that are done release a lot of methane and other greenhouse gases, which adversely affect our land and water resources. I think the way we produce our food are highly causing a lot of impact on our natural resources as well as our environment. Yes, Ganesh, what are your thoughts?
But I think that urbanization is the root cause of this, as the population is increasing day by day. My friend Rohit has said that there is increase in the fossil fuel consumption because we require coal for making power plants energy, and for making roads we require charcoal, and the things for making it we require fossil fuels. There are more and more increase in the demand in the food consumption also, due to which there is increase in the deforestation and increase in the agriculture waste, as presented by Yusuf. So let's discuss about effects.
But I would also like to say that it's because of all human activities, that how we are generating energy to how we are using land, all are impacting us. It is impacting our climate change, and it is not only causing problem to humans but also all aquatic life and the life living on land. So we have to look into it. So now discuss what are the effects of this. So Rohit, can you please tell me what are the effects related to it?
Yeah, like if we take example of air pollution or heat waves, also referred as flu during summers. So these problems are basically generated because of global warming, and ultimately this results into a great disaster.
Deforestation impact water cycle, leading to irregular pattern of rainfall and increase in soil erosion, which can result in desertification and land degradation. We are seeing a lot of extreme weather conditions like drought, flood, heat waves. They all are becoming more frequent and intense. They are not just isolated incidents, they are sign of broader climatic change. What are your points, Yusuf?
Gaurav, I think rising sea level is one of the main problems because of the melting of glaciers and ice caps. I think that due to this, a lot of many nations are getting submerged in the water. Also, the mixing of salt water in our natural resources of water like rivers and ponds are also adding to the degradation of our natural resources. Yes, Tanish, what are your thoughts?
I think that it is not about the human life also, it is about the animal life. Like in our daily life we see biodiversity, like we see out flora and fauna. I think there were about 2100 plus mango species but now there are less than 800 species of the flora, and we see about in aquatic life, more fishes are dying due to the increase in the temperature of the water.
I think so. All the effects, like you all have mentioned, they are not only widespread in India but across the world, and they all effects are interconnected in some way. Because global warming is increasing, because of that the water temperature are increasing, fishes are dying just because of that. So all the effects are very much interconnected. Now we have talked about the effects, but we also have to talk about the solution, and we have to forward our solution to government also, because they can take initiatives. So let's talk about this, and now we will find out the solution of this. So Rohit, can you start?
I think one of the best solutions would be the use of energy efficient appliances, and that step has already been taken by our honorable PM under the scheme PM Ujjwala Yojana. I think we all are familiar with that. So in this scheme, PM provided every woman free gas connections, and this promotes the use of LPG in village areas also. So I think that this will reduce the release of harmful gases.
And on personal level, we can reduce waste, recycle, reuse, and support sustainable product. These are the steps we can follow. Education is also key by raising awareness, by advocating for change, and influence policies that promote sustainability. What are your points, Yusuf?
Gaurav, I think planting of more and more trees can be one of the solutions for this. I think this helps in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases a lot of oxygen. At a global level, at a large scale, we can do reforestation and afforestation, and also we can seek help from government to help in this. But at local level, at an individual level, we can do urban planning, like making of gardens and parks nearby our society.
I think that a renewable source of energy would be the best solution. Like I have discussed about the urbanization, that population is increasing, there would be more increase in the power consumption, so more fossil fuel would be burned. So the government should initiate, one of the initiative government has taken, like Solar Ghar Yojana, in which government will give the subsidy regarding the solar plants. In addition to that, the commercial solar plants should be more and more deployed, and wind turbines and other renewable energy should be explored.
I think so. All the solutions which we have discussed today can really impact our society in a great way. Like you have mentioned, we can use energy efficient fuels, and you said we have to aware children and all the community members. You said we can use renewable energy resources and afforestation. That's a great point. Afforestation really can impact our climate a lot, because it absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. That is the main thing we have to do. So we have discussed all the 3 points, which are main causes, effects and solution. That was all from our side. Thank you.